Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to start up your Google Spreadsheet for the first time. So first thing you have to do, make sure you install the Google Spreadsheet on your phone. You just need to go into the App Store if you haven't installed the applications yet, and you go in the search button and just type a Google Sheet. And whenever you find it, you just need to go click it. And make sure that you install this application on your phone. And whenever you install this application, let's just go back and open it. And this is the look whenever you open the Google Sheet application, and you can see there is no document created before in this account. Okay, so whenever you already install the application, make sure that the account that you use here is the correct account that you want to sign with. So the account that you use here is for saving the documents, and it will be connected with the Google Drive account, so they will be saved directly into your Google Drive. Okay, and after you already sign with the correct account, you just need to go click this plus button, and after that you just need to choose either you want to use a template or you just need a blank document. If you want to create something that's a little bit complicated, just go click in the template and find out is there any templates that can support your work. But then if there is no templates that support your work, you just need to go click plus button and just go click new spreadsheets and prepare the titles, for example task, and just go click create. And now you already have an active document and you are ready to work on it. So working with the Google Sheet is working with the cells, means that you will be working between the combination of the columns and rows. So the columns will be a part that is assigned by the alphabet, and rows is the part that is assigned with the number. Meanwhile, the cells is combination between these two both. For example, this part, the blue square here, is B3 cells. Whenever you want to enter some information here, you just need to go click this pencils button and start typing the informations. And after you're done, you just need to go click done. And that's the way how Google Sheets work. If you want to add another information in another cell, you just need to click the specific cells that you want to input the information, and just do the same. Click the pencils and just type the text. If you are done working in this document, you just need to go click this part and go back, and the document will be automatically saved into your Google Sheet as well as on your Google account or Google Drive. So that's the way how to create a Google Spreadsheet or how to start up Google Spreadsheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.